only I got that requirement from the client only. Okay, what is that requirement? Uh, one finance manager is there. Okay, for every end users, there could be one finance manager. And this finance manager is not happy to see the changes on a posted customer invoice. Okay, and that person wants to know how he can able to track field value changes along with username who has made those changes. Okay, and at the same time, the second scenario is that finance manager also wants that reference and document header text fields should not be mandated or modifiable in a posted document, while the text field should always be modifiable on a posted customer invoice. Okay, how we can able to do it? That is a main propaganda we have. Okay, now go to the SAP system. Go to the SAP system. I will just show you all of you whatever the invoices. Do you have invoices on the customer now? Go to the transaction code FBL5N. Go to the transaction code FBL5N. Go to the transaction code FBL5N. Yeah. So go to the take out any customer. I mean, do we have any invoices on that particular customers? Okay, so that is the basic requirement we have all of you. Okay, take out anything and try to go to the execute option. Go to the execute option. Okay, now 50,000 rupees you have existed document. Okay, now what we need to do is go to the transaction code FB70. Go to the transaction code FB70. Try to post one invoice. Okay, I will show you the requirement as well as whatever the modifiable fields we have that cannot be modified, and at the same time, whatever the gray out fields we have that should be modified. Okay, that is our requirement. How we can able to fulfill it? Just post one. Yeah, customer account data to the sales account. Go to the drop down option. And give the amount. Click on the enter and no amount authorization for customers and vendors in tech. What is the company that you are using? You are using different company codes, right? Do you have any other company code? Or else go to the transaction code BP and try to see the. Do you have any other company code? All right. Try to take out the customer. Try to take out the customer. No, okay. Or else, no issue, ma'am. Or else, Gautami, ma'am, can you share your screen? So meanwhile, do it, ma'am. No worries. Meanwhile, do your prerequisite configurations in. Gautami, ma'am, can you share your screen? Yeah. So do you have any existing customer? If you have any existing customer, and try to go to the transaction code FBL5N, go to the transaction code FBL5N, FBL5N. Take out the customer, any customer. Yeah, go to the execute option. No. Take out the open items. Take out the open items. Come back. Take out the open items. Go to the execute option. Give the company code. So you don't have any open items, right? So what we need to do is go to the transaction code FB70 and try to post one normal invoice. OK. And you will going to see basically all of you when it comes to the daily activities or any activity you can take. OK, you will just get the requirement from the finance manager. That is whatever the end users that they have, they will going to have managers. OK, and in that point of view, what will happen basically? Whatever the invoices that they are posting, they are posted with somewhat fields. OK, why? Because they do have bulk invoices. OK, take out the sales account. They do have the bulk invoices, right? All of you. So how they are identifying each and every invoices? That is the point we have. So, and we got the requirement for the two business scenarios. OK, so go to the save button and save it and go to the transaction code FBL5N and try to see the open item for this customer. Go to the transaction code FBL5N. Yeah, now go to the execute option. So now you have 35,000 rupees, all of you. Now what we will do is double click on this document number, ma'am. Double click on this document number. See, all of you, text is in a gray out mode. What we will do is go to the display or edit option. Go to the display or edit option. So here our text is a modifiable thing. You got my point, right? Here the assignment and the text is a modifiable thing. Now how we can able to gray out all these fields like text fields or assignment field, anything, OK, in our system based on the requirement of the business.